Hi Barbie dolls! I'm Azusa Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm doing pumpkin carving. I'm not just doing regular jack-o'-lantern. No, I'm carving Barbie silhouette and I want to paint it pink. And you know what? To be honest, it's my only second time to do pumpkin carving. And the last time was, oh my god, it's already 20 years ago. So I don't know how it's gonna be like, but I just wanted to do something really Halloween-ish thing. Let's start. Here's my pumpkin. First, I need to make Barbie stencil for my pumpkin. So I made like this image for stencil. Now I need to cut out the decal. Since pumpkin is round shape, the flat sticker was really hard to put, but I think it will work. To start, I'm gonna use my power drill. Here I got the pumpkin carving tool. Lots of pumpkin seeds. Yay! I did it! I washed the inside. I want to paint outside now. It's already cute with pink color, but I want to put this glitter. I kind of want to make it like ombre, so I put more glitter on top part. Ta-da! This is the cutest Barbie pumpkin. The paint is still wet, but I cannot wait, so let me light the candle. I love my pumpkin. is the Barbiest. Perfect. I mean, I feel like the neck was a little bit too skinny, but no, totally fine. So cute. Love it. I love it. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video, subscribe my channel, and follow me on Instagram. Hope you have fantastic Barbie Happy Halloween.